Hola viewer, this is BayFront Tower, Panamacity, Panama. Noisy neighborhood, let's go.
Vagabondvito.
Oh, you gotta love the Panamanian puppies, right?
If you want to know how I'm able to travel the world and run my business remotely, earning thousands of dollars every single week, only working 1 to 3 hours a day, hit the link in my bio or go to bigticketbiz.com and check out the video explaining exactly how I got started.
Alright, BayFront Tower, that's a wrap.